Hello, it's Rob here and welcome to another video of stuff. A friend of Mark and mine's the other day asked him if he wanted to buy these 3 Tamiya RC cars. Mark rang me, so asked if I wanted them. So we have a Boomerang, which basically after a quick look is just for spares, to be honest. So I haven't looked at it too much, but if we turn it over, oops, you can see hopefully that there's been an aluminium plate put there because this part of the chassis is broken. We've also got the lower wishbone stroke A-arm that's broken, and I think there's some other stuff. Well, yeah. This is the body that came with it and it is absolutely mullered. But hey, there we go. We'll get rid of that one for now. And this is a super Hotshot. Yeah, I don't think this is going to take much to get back on the road, but there's obviously been some issue and it's absolutely covered in grease, and I don't know why it would be, but hey, as you can see, it is an original I can't remember now, is it 1980s super Hotshot, but for some reason with a normal Hotshot body on it. But having seen the state of the other one, and this other Hotshot's got a spare body here that's broken, it's not that bad. I would imagine that at some point the body's got broken badly enough to want a replacement, and maybe you couldn't get a super Hotshot body, but there you go. Again, I don't think this is going to take much fixing, but yeah, I will probably start with this one and take it all apart and give it a damn good clean and degrease to see what basically what bits I'm going to need to order. I think I might be ordering wishbones and probably the drive adapters. These are 2 off the Boomerang, and my Thunder Dragon ones were exactly the same as that. So that's that one, and then we come to that's the front bumper for the super Hotshot. We come to the Dubrifirking normal Hotshot, which again isn't runnable at the minute. It's got some broken bits for the sway bar, or anti-roll bar as a lot of people call it in the UK, and the bit that holds this bracket on is missing, so that's that. And the rear suspension is broken because the upper arm is actually snapped, so I think I'll be buying quite a few wishbones. I'm sorry about that, that's what I'm calling them. I haven't taken this body off. Oh, there it is. I knew there was an R-clip somewhere, but I can't see the gubbins from there. I forgot about that bit because it's all in here underneath. But I'm assuming it's all going to be manual stuff with 2 servos. So yeah, it's also the stuff also come with this weird looking charger and this ACOMS charger, neither of which I've seen. This, to be honest, looks more like a car charger, a battery charger, than an RC, but with this thing stuck on, which is a Mark V charging monitor from Model Flight Accessories UK. Who knows? I haven't dared plug it in yet, but we will do at some point. And then we got this one, which again is confusing me, because I think somebody's cut the 3-pin plug off and put these on for some reason, but there's nothing in the bag of bits that this plugs into, so I may have a look at that. But I may not, because honestly I've got loads of quick chargers at the minute. So that's that. It also came with this Techni Plus transmitter, which looks rather nice. It is 27 megahertz, so yeah, this is how much or how rough these cars have been run, because this is a Futaba receiver and it's completely mullered. So I can't get over the length of the aerial for that. So anyway, there we go. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip down the Super Hotshot first, and probably do a video on rebuilding it, on the parts I'm going to need, and then I'll move on to the other original Hotshot. I'm undecided at the minute whether to leave it as manual or analog controller, speed controller, that's the words. I'm getting too old for this, I'm sure I am. Or whether to upgrade it to the electronic speed controllers. But I'll decide that once I'm rebuilding it. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed watching this little thing. A great big thank you to Mark, you know who you are if you do watch this. Oh yeah, one other thing. They also came with this, well, 2 of these actually. BT's radio control bags. And these are quite old, I believe, because they've got this pretend leather straps, handles, whereas the one that I've got is material, so there's 2 of them. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers, bye.